interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Parker and east central Palo Pinto counties until 4:15. At 3:39 this afternoon, a severe thunderstorm is located over Mineral Wells, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. The hazards with this storm involve 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Again, the National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Parker County and east central Palo Pinto County until 4:15 this afternoon. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
I meant to be